Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, December 4th. Today for your must-dos for math, you need to complete a practice page and or a lesson in Kickstand. If you are right in the middle of or in between two courses and you're waiting for a course code, you can work in your Fluency or your Flex course. And then you can get into Prodigy for about a half an hour or so. For reading, you need to complete your weekly assignments. It's day 5 for tomorrow. And then for writing, um, if you have not yet completed your draft for your opinion writing, that needs to be completed tomorrow, or today, sorry, for Friday, okay? It needs to be completed by Monday, because today will be the last day you get to work on those. And then you need to read also for 30 minutes. You can do the grammar lesson for writing tomorrow or today. Um, and if you have any questions, let me know.